If you're in a wreck in another state, do you get a lawyer from there or do you get one back at home? That's a good question. I've never thought of that.
It's a good question. We get that question a lot, and I think we've had on the show before. You know, I think if you're in, let's just say you're in a wreck here in Tuscaloosa, okay, it would do you well to have a local attorney who knows the area, who knows, you know, if the case is filed, it's most likely going to be filed here in Tuscaloosa, who maybe knows how the court system works here. There are local rules in many jurisdictions, so the local attorneys are aware of those. So I think it's good to have an attorney in that local area, and plus, you know, if you retain an attorney to represent you, and that wreck occurred in another state where he doesn't practice, well, if you have to file a lawsuit, he may not be admitted to practice law in that area. Okay. And so he may not be able to file a lawsuit on your behalf. Now, sometimes you can associate with an attorney in that state, but it just creates an extra hurdle. So it probably would do you well to have an attorney locally in that area.
I'm guessing if I needed legal help, if I was making a trip to see family in Indiana and I had a wreck in Kentucky or Tennessee, I'll bet your firm has contacts along the way that you'd say, we've got a connection, a relationship with a good attorney in Nashville or Louisville or whatever.
Exactly. I think that's a great point. You know, talk with someone locally in your area and say, hey, you know, I was involved in a car wreck in this area. Can you recommend someone? I think that's a great idea.